Welcome to Finanja again. Uh, I would like to come up with one more topic today regarding the AI era and trading. We have already discussed it. This is the finest list. You can get it, all the list of AI tool per country wise. You can go to uh, country wise and the upcoming live and the different countries, which country is using which are developing which AI tools. You can get all the details, check out. And also for traders, which are suitable also, I have listed out. This is very, I think, uh, the good information, I can say that, but you can check it out and comment if any improvements or if anything needs to be added here. Okay. So today's topic, I'd like to definitely get to the bigger thing, because see, every trader or every investor will be listening to the word that it's a option trading. Okay, so if any investors or any trader in the market, they'll be listening that about the option trading, right? Definitely one or other way, or some of your friends, some of your colleagues, they'll be talking about this option. Okay, so options market, this is basically nifty, bank nifty, you can do the options also on the stocks. Also you'll be doing some nifty 50 options and nifty next 50, some of the stocks are there, you can do it. And some of the other stocks also options are there. Option is a very powerful asset, I can say that. But before jumping into the option market, you should be knowing a lot of things in the option market before jumping into the option. So for suppose, if any of your friends say that option you can do from 5,000 to 50,000 also, you'll be telling that one, that is true. But again, it is as easy as making money, it will be as easy as losing money also. Okay, that is very dangerous also, option market. But if you don't know how to do it, okay, even though the trader who is having more and more experience in the market, they'll be losing money in this options market. Okay, so that is their part and parts of life actually. So one thing they'll be keeping in as a rule, that whenever you lose less, and whenever you're getting, you'll be big profit, you should be getting it. This is what the theory they are uh, the experienced trader are maintaining it. Okay, so but the thing is that you should be knowing that one thing. It is very easy to get into this market. One, if your view is market is going up, then buy C. Okay, and if your view is market is going down, buy P. So that's what everyone will suggest. But these are the very dangerous things. Okay, so there are a lot of things are there in market. So today I would like to discuss all those things. Okay, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Sensex, Mid Cap Nifty, Index, India VIX. It is a fear factor measurement tool actually. Okay, so all these things you can do the options here, and also what stocks also you can do it. Okay, so one, you are an retail trader here. Okay, so myself, yourself, and who are not trading individually, they will become a retail trader. Okay, so what retail trader has to be developed his mind, in his mind, that definitely there are a lot of things he has to learn, and he has to maintain, and he has to fight with a lot of other systems also. So that's what this image is telling, that one retail trader has to face a lot of big players in the market. You can see it here. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, so against all of them, you need to win in the market. This is what that's why 90% of the traders will lose the money in the options market. Okay, that's what we, even though if you are a pro trader also, there will be chances that you'll be losing a lot of money. Okay, sometimes. Okay, sometimes I mean to say. Okay, if you can see it here. Okay, directly you can see it here. One retail trader, if he don't have all these proper strategy, okay, and in instruments risk, if he's not taking a risk, and maximum loss per day, kind of all these factors, if we don't consider it, he will definitely giving money to all of these systems. Okay, that's what I wanted to mention. So you can think it. Okay, there are a lot of, this is AI era. Okay, artificial intelligence era. So in this era, there are a lot of algorithmic traders will be there. Okay, they'll be defining their own rules, and they have developed their own algorithms, and they'll be trading it. Okay, one thing is that you need to fight against them in the options market. Okay, so algorithmic market maker. Okay, so this is one this big industry, there are institutions are developing their algorithms actually. So you need to trade against them. And also there are a lot of hedge funds will be there in the market. Okay, what is meant by hedge fund? For an example, these foreign investors will be there, right? They'll be doing options in the market. At the same time, they will be hedging also. Okay, in the derivative or cash market, they will be hedging also. That is called hedge funds. Also you need to fight against them. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, how minute a retail trader, okay, his order will be only one order, but algorithmic order will be cross together order will be there in the market. I mean to say cross order, not the money. Okay, that money will become like maybe 20 crores or 10 crores, 30 crores per day, they will be trading it. Okay, that's what you need to fight against with them. But what an ideal retail trader can spend money per day, maximum 10,000, right? If he is a pro trader also, maximum 1 lakh loss or 2 lakh loss or 5 lakhs he can take it, okay? If he is a pro trader and made a good amount of money in the market already. Otherwise, even though for 5,000 also, we should be scared enough for the per day loss, okay? Even though beginners will be scared enough for the 2,000 rupees also, okay? Because per day 2,000 means per monthly it will be 60K it will become, okay? That's their salary, maybe part of salary or full salary also, they should be losing it, okay? That's what you should be very careful in order to trade in option market. Hedge funds also, you need to trade it, and also institutional fund house will be there, okay? So these institutional fund house, what they will be doing, for an example, they are reading your mind, okay? And you and myself will be one trader, one retail trader. Similarly, bunch of retail traders will be there in the market, right? They'll be having all the details of the retail traders. I mean to say, not the personal details, their strategies, retail traders mindset. Most of the retail trader mindset will be same because they want to make money, right? That's what they will be studying, all the retail trader mindset. These all the system, big system, whatever you're saying, they'll be studying all the retail trader mindset. They'll be studying it, and they don't want you to win in the market, okay? Because they want to make money in the market. So for that, the big fish are retail traders only, okay? For an example, I'll be telling that, okay? If suppose take an example of any system, any institutional, you can take it, okay? For an institutional, in option market or any market, if they want to make profit, what they'll be doing it, okay? So they'll create some scenarios in the market, okay? So for an example, they'll create a scenario like market will be going upside, okay? So that's what, maybe whenever the price is at trading at this maybe 100 rupees, we can say that for an example, they want to buy some lot of lakhs of together orders will be there, okay? And so they can't go come into the market and directly put 2 lakhs orders directly at once one time, because they'll be losing it. What instead of that, what they'll be doing it, they'll be coming to the market, okay? They want to average their money, okay? They don't distribute or deploy. Maybe for an example, take 20 crores rupees is there. They want to deploy it at maybe 10 lakhs or maybe 1 crore, 1 crore, 1 crore. They'll be distributing at particular price levels, okay? So for this one, for an example, they want to buy the 20 crore orders, okay? So they want to buy the stock or orders or Nifty, you can take it, okay? So if they want to buy it, somebody should be selling it, right? So then only they can buy it, buy the order. So one retail trader will be here, one retail trader will be here, and another retail trader will be here. There are a lot of FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. They'll be creating in the market, okay? For an example, they'll be buying 1 crore here. So for that purpose, think that market will be fastly moving from here. So what retail trader will jump into the market? Okay, maybe market will go upside, then I will buy a one single order or one CE buy. I'll take it. That's what they'll think it. Okay. Then maybe the small traders will be buying it here. Then they can make money. But again, what they'll going to do? There are delta factor is there, gamma factor is there, theta factor is there, and also implied volatility. Volatility it is here. Okay. So what they will do? Once a lot of retail traders are buy the order, they'll be having the details, right? So they want to buy the orders again, okay? What they'll do, they will whatever the buy order they made it here, and it will going to go down. What retail traders will do, they will sell the orders, okay? So a lot of retail traders, so they'll be losing money here from here to here, then they'll be selling the orders. So again, what they will do, institutional, again they will release one at some level, again they will release some 2 crore rupees, okay? Because they got the sellers here. Who is the seller? Retailers are the sellers here. So similarly, like this way, they will be creating some kind of scenarios in the market, and they are executing their orders, and finally 20 crores will be in an average position, it will become, okay? So this is the kind of a lot of strategies from the houses. Fund house means this is not a 1 year 2 years fund houses, okay? They are from the ages, okay? They'll be studying lot of documents on creating the strategies, okay? So basically all these systems don't want to win in the market, don't want you to win in the market. Who you means it's a retail trader, okay? That doesn't mean that they'll be eating retail traders money. They want to make money, and you also came for market to make money. They'll also make money from you. That's all. It's very simple. And also don't think that they'll be targeting only retail traders. They'll be targeting other institutions also. They'll be competing with other algorithm also. They'll be competing with the hedges also. So they want to make money, they will make money in the market. Okay, so that's the reason you need to fight, or you need to struggle in the market against all these big systems in the market. So that's the reason you need to be very careful before jumping into the market, and you'll be very intuitive also, and also you need to learn a lot of things and jump into the market. Okay, so this is what I want to mention, and also one more interesting picture I will show it to you. This is generated by me. One second. Yeah. So all the time retailer will lose the money? No, that is not the case. Actually, some of the retail traders you can find on the market, they'll be big winners also. They will be making crores together in the market because they understand the system, they understand the lot of options, strategies, option parameters, whatever I'm seeing it, delta, theta, gamma. There are a lot of option geeks, we can say that. Okay, option Greeks, we can say that. So they'll be understanding that one, and they'll be executing in the market. Okay, so before jumping in to the next topic, please like, share, and subscribe so that it will help for me to do more and more videos like this. And retail traders, how we can win in the market? Retail trader can only win in the market with his knowledge, patience, and the discipline. Okay, so that's the reason you need to learn options properly and enter into the market. Even for investing, also you need to learn a lot of things and invest also. So take in any fund manager, advisor, and you can do it. Okay, there are a lot of institutions are there in the market. Okay, so education is very important. Okay, Gnana Devate, we will say it, right. So education, you need to learn the market structure, you need to understand it, and actions, risk management, you need to understand in the market. And you need to go for the lot of strategies are there in the market. Win, the probability of win will be 80%, 90% strategies will be there. You need to satisfy, or you need to execute those strategies and satisfy for the minimum profit. Okay, you can say that. If you deploy more amount with the strategies, you'll be getting a more I mean to say more means 1%, 2%. If you invest 1 crore, then 1%, 2% also you can win in the market. That is a big amount for you. No banks will give that returns. Okay, I mean to say not only 1%, you can go up to some extent. Okay, based on the strategies. Okay, so have a plan, follow the rules. No random rules, no random trades. Okay, you need to follow it. And risk management is very important. Okay, whenever you lose, lose less. Whenever you win, win big. Okay, that's what you should be having a you should be protecting your capital. That is very important in the market, risk management. And psychology is the biggest thing you need to develop in the market whenever you are doing the options trading. So you need to control your emotions, patience, discipline, think probabilities. Okay. For an example, what initially I was doing it, I was jumping into the market randomly. I was doing over trading and losing money. Okay. That everyone should come across those stages, but you need to do or improve your psychology. There is a lot of course or there trading psychology. You need to take it. Okay. This is very biggest thing, psychology, because even though if a trader is winning his legs or winning his position, if psychology is not good, then he'll be exiting his position or losing in the market. Okay, that's what by fear factor will be there. Okay, or by losing factor, or by okay, maybe he'll be achieving 20,000, 30,000 profit per day, but he'll be with fear, he'll be exiting for the 1,000 only. That's what will going to happen in the market. Without risk management, those things will going to happen. So psychology is very important. And also you need to journalize the things, your orders, journal. You need to maintain on journal. Okay, you can see it here. You can record all the daily trade orders or trade details, so that once in a while or once in a week you can go to the journal and check it. So whatever the mistake you have done, you need to improve them as well. And focus is very important. You need to concentrate on market strategy, on your strategy, not on anything. And don't go for the news related trading. If someone is saying something, if someone in social media they are saying something, no, you should not consider all those things. You should be believing only on the charts. Okay, whatever the charts it is showing, you need to trade accordingly. So external noise you should not be bothering about. Okay, so one golden rule I can say that I don't need to be a right every time. Okay, and I just need to be a right bigger than I am wrong. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, the bigger than I'm wrong. So bigger than wrong, there should be a right thing. It should be there. That's what every trader should be maintaining it. Then he can become a winner in the market. Okay, there are a lot of stages for the retail trader. Okay, you can check it out in the details. Okay, I have generated one more video as well. You can check those details. So option strategy we have already defined, and focus areas. Okay, liquid index options, high probability setups. That means to say strategies. You need to select high probability strategies. Okay, and the stop loss is very important in the market. You need to maintain a stop loss for each and every order so that you can lose less and gain more in the market. Okay, and see, capital preservation is very important. That means to say, for one trade, if you will be losing 10,000 for an example, say. Okay, but if you're having only 20,000 in one trade itself, if you lose the 10,000, then only one more very few days are left for your capital. Okay, that's the reason you need to focus on your capital. According to that, you need to take a trade and risk also. Okay, for an example, if you're having a 20,000 in the account, you need to take only 500 rupees or 600 rupees loss. If it is, that is the maximum thing you need to take it. Okay, so this is what the thing you need to plan in order to become success in the market. Okay, so who are the authors or who are the trainers? They are success in the market? No, obviously not. But they wanted to share their knowledge so that somebody without knowledge, if they are trading or listening to someone, so they will avoid those kind of mistakes also. So okay, don't depend on anyone. You, if you want to learn the market, and you should be the decision maker in front of your system. Nobody, you should not listen anyone, okay? And keep it in mind that before jumping into the option trading, whether it is suitable for you, you need to do the paper trading, okay? First, paper trading you need to do. I've done a lot of videos on the paper trading. You need to do the paper trading, and you need to do the psychology, and one system or one strategy you need to test it thoroughly, and then you need to I mean to say, you should be ready to fight against these monsters in the market, okay? And also nowadays, monster is the real monster for all of this system is the Trump, okay? So based on Trump tweets, market is going very wildly in like a volatile. We can say that there is a wild moment we are getting in the market, okay? Sudden 1000%, sorry, not 1000%, 1000 points gap up, 500 points gap down. All these things are happening because of Trump tweets, and also you know that how exactly market reacted for the US and Iran war, okay? So you need to consider a lot of things in the market, okay? But those are all nice only. So if you believe your system, if you believe the chart reading capability, then everything will improve for you. So you should not be bothered about the Trump tweets or some other news, all those things, okay? So this is what I wanted to mention today. Become a successful trader. It won't happen in overnight or 1 month or 1 year. It will take a lot of years journey to become a proper trader, okay? That's what you need to learn in one system, learn in one institute, any institute, and then you should slowly adapt to the market, okay? Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.